In this video, we're going to talk about automation conditions. So in this example, I have two boards, content marketing and marketing campaign, both in the marketing group. And we have an automation already set up for this. And I'm going to just filter out by marketing. And we have this rule here. When it's moved to review, we add a tag and we send a notification. So if I take a look at that rule, I already have some conditions already added to this trigger. So I have it set when it's moved or added, and I have it firing on boards with the group name that equals marketing. So this trigger here, moved or added task, I have some conditions here that type has to be a parent task, which is a great practice, and then the list is specified to be review. So conditions can be put on triggers, like in this example, or they can also be put on actions. So let's take a look at an example of putting some on an action. So right here, I'm adding a tag for in review, and I have a notification going by email. So basically, right now I have two boards in this group, this marketing group, one for content and one for campaigns. So let's say I wanted to send two different emails out in different scenarios. So I could duplicate this email. Right now I have two notifications being sent, and I can now customize each one for the specific use. So I could say review content as a subject, right? And this could be review campaign. And I could even tailor this message a little more to be very specific. A new campaign is ready for review. And then we can add conditions here for each scenario. So I'm going to send this notification. I'm going to add a condition here to the action. And I'm going to say, well, only fire this one if the board ID, so we'll find board ID here. The board ID is, and we're going to do content marketing. And then for the other action, I'm going to go in and add a condition. Same exact type of condition. Same condition. We're going to do board. We're going to find board ID. And then we're going to say marketing campaign. So now these will only fire with respect to what board it's on. So this notification will only send out if it's the content marketing board, and this notification will only send out if it's the marketing campaign board. Some other things about conditions that are worth noting is that within the conditions itself, either on a trigger or an action, they are separated by and statements. So in this example, type is parent and the list equals review. Then you can also have or statements here, and you can have another set of conditions. So you could say, well, this is one set of conditions that need to be met, or here's another set that need to be met. It's very flexible. You could specify exactly what needs to happen before a rule fires.